Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you remember, if you follow me for a while now, I actually had a little demonstration of using my old Toshiba laptop, which is, I would say, 17 or 18 years old. And of course, that machine is, Windows 10 was dreadfully slow on it. And of course, I don't want to have Windows 11, even though I did do a Windows 11 install with, removing the minimum requirements, and it did work. But I had tried something which was the Chrome OS Flex, which is a Chrome OS. It's an operating system by Google, derived from Android in some way. It's mostly a cloud operating system, so you install the basics, but most of what you do relies on you always being connected. And I had installed that, and this is actually a very efficient operating system, and it worked well on my Toshiba laptop. And Google in March actually decided to do an experiment and made available 3,000 USB thumb drives with the installation files for Chrome OS Flex on PCs and sold them for $3 each. And so they sold all of them, apparently. And there are going to be more available soon. And this is Google telling you, well, that Windows 10 machine, when it gets to end of support, well, rather than, throwing that away in the dumpster or, whatever, and making some e-waste, well, why not replace Windows 10 with Chrome OS Flex? Of course, it's not a Windows replacement, but if you do the minimum stuff, if all you do is browsing, email, things like that, you're fine with Chrome OS Flex. It does that very well. And so it seems that a lot of people took up on the occasion for $3 to have Chrome OS Flex. Well, you can have it for free if you want. And this is the website where it's all about, where the instructions are all about. If you want to try to install it on one of your old PCs, if you got a PC that's 10 or 15 years old, well, you know what? Chrome OS Flex might actually give it enough speed and performance to be usable again. And hey, why not if we can save a PC from going into e-waste? So the link to this page is in the description below. And, maybe you want to revive an old PC. How about trying Chrome OS Flex? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.